regarding the ads.
Yeah, it's okay. Regarding ads, yeah, like go and physically
Have
put
you
that.
been tried to promote the rental lead our rental leads at some government organizations like option success?
No, success it's another one. Yeah, you can go and physically put ads there. Yeah, it's a good idea. Yeah, they have it also the.
Okay, I will go to the option, try to promote it on my survey listings. And the
Mhm.
survey listings, the leads is very low. Now I only got four, and if you know if it stay like this, the clients, the owner will find me.
Sometime I ask, for example, one of the owner works in Microsoft. They have inside communications, and when we do their unit, they always put ads there. So sometimes I ask them to put something for me as well. And sometimes people, uh,
Also, Natalia, I have another just another propose. You think about it, not the only
yes.
ads. And
Mm.
because our rental agreements is 12 pages, almost 13 pages, is it possible make it as simple as possible? Just
I
you
mean, you don't have to have it at all. Sometimes agents forget and we
okay,
have 6-page one. That's fine, right? In most
okay,
cases,
okay,
it's fine. It's just
okay.
more like we show landlords and we protect
Because
them.
I'm but non-residents is not the headache issue, but it's very hot topic, and I will focus on this. But it's good for you if we have non-resident owners. They're looking for full-time management, especially we got how can I say it? Accountant, just a case by case accountant to help us to to prepare the non-residents, because non-residents the most important part is CRA.
Yeah, I had prepared it to CPA account and those agreement it's like real life based on real stories, right? So sometimes you think, oh, this one is no need to put extra time, extra efforts, but in reality, when such situations occur, it's really protect us or protect owners or tenants, right? Protect someone or everyone together, even from each other, because sometimes people very unreasonable as they based on high emotions, and if it's not spelled out in agreement, it's there. So if you explain to owner that way, so addendum that's to protect you more than other, right? First 6 pages to protect tenant actually, but additional addendum it's protect owner more. And we very seldom use it, but we use it at least to the point when tenant understand expectation and they are reasonable. For example, right? So they still
Yeah,
totally unreasonable. But when they see on a weights that if we go to maybe court, right? A court value agreement so much. If you go to small claim courts, not so much in a tenancy branch. Tenancy branch may take side of them tenants, but it also exists small claim court procedure, right? So you pay there 300 something and you apply. So courts most likely will say yes, because you both sign and agree they owe you money. So they most likely will allocate plus deposit plus it's a plus damage and plus lost rent, right? So it's additional.
Yeah,
So in this case, tenant becomes see that they're not really in a win situation and they at least agree to leave without asking their deposit back. When they owe us 2 months, they at least agree easily half months, you know. They collect from them, even if the court says so. That's Alan can speak to that, right, Alan?
Well, I was going to say two things. Number one, in our
Yeah.
rental agreement and in most rental agreements, we basically designate the residential tenancy branch as the arbitrator in these disputes. So I'm not sure be able to take the small claims and be successful. And secondly, if there is any clause which automatically forfeits the security deposit, it's not enforceable. So you can put a penalty in there, but it can't be more than the security deposit.
But
So
you
just
know,
in
I
my
seen the mm, companies put it penalty 5,000, right? But
Well, you can put anything you want. You
yeah.
may not be able to enforce it, right?
But what is interesting, never ever even one tenant kind of challenges this addendum. And why they don't challenge? Because we've been reasonable, right? We say, okay, you did damage for half months, leave it this half month. Because they did damage for 1 month, they don't want to leave any penny, right? But if we have in addition, it's like extra weight, right?
Yeah.
You
The
just
problem is
have
that the worst tenants and the people that are likely to do it are also the ones that are generally the most informed. And so they're the ones that know this stuff,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, but even them, right? They see, for example, it's still Canada is country of the law and agreement have a weight, they
Yeah.
valued, right? So they at least they say, okay, never mind, let me leave half months and I go away. So they
Yeah,
do
yeah, and that's what the
something.
most will do, of course. But however,
So that's really help. If it's not such addendums, they really fight for every penny, even if they're wrong, even if they vacate early, they break the lease, they, destroy, play, not destroy, but maybe do enough damage for half months or more, right? They still argue, right?
yeah,
So it just gives them less sense to argue and make it quicker to be less painful for all parties. That's what is bring, makes them understand the common sense, right? And they sign it in the stop. And I seen the landlords, I seen the agents, some big agencies who have this huge fine. They really collected that amount. They went all the way to courts and they did collect it, right? Because court is like independent thing. I don't know now, maybe they wouldn't, but before they did.
can I
So
just can I just go back for 1 minute to non-resident tax stuff? I just want to say one thing about it. And I think, Margaret, if you're dealing with a client right now, it is if the owners are balking about paying so much for accounting, it's probably cheaper for them to just get a line of credit and pay the non-resident remittance. And at the end of the year, when they file their taxes, they get their money back because all you're really saving by going through the rigmarole of doing the NR4 or the NR6 and all that kind of stuff is the interest on the amount of money that you would have
Yeah,
access.
yeah, yeah. I know, I know. I dealing with a lot of
Yeah.
non-residents. Now I would like it.
what happened when we have non-residents for some reason Revenue Canada always sends some questionnaires, some additional reports to complete. So we constantly answering them, this, that, and another.
This,
Especially, let
this,
me
Margaret,
give you example. Let me give you.
honey,
hi,
I
Margaret, how
am.
are you?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Also,
we have an agreement with a law firm that they will correct the contract, but we kind of postponed it
you said
because
that
we
you'll,
wanted to put our own things more right. Non-residents, it's a tricky, as I told you,
and
because
and
It's
also
very risky.
and also probably you could put the sections. One is for
yeah,
owner.
so
One,
now the contract she made, well, right?
yeah,
So,
yeah.
yeah, 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 and also make the contract as simple as possible. But
yeah,
just
and the
listed.
contract is between company and the clients, not
So,
between
Alex,
us.
Alex, did you hear this?
Yeah,
Also, I have another question. Another questions. Not only the contract maker, also regarding the fees, cancellation fees. Natalia, why not charge the one
Never mind. So
a
that
hundred
was
dollars?
based
Yeah,
on
you can
experience.
charge $100 just to help them to do the advertisement, and the
Yes,
other
it's a
things
good
let
one.
them
Yeah.
do it.
Yeah, you can, it's only draft, guys. You can have your own additions to it. it, right?
Yeah, because some clients is some clients is no long term. Sometimes some clients are from referrals. If you
But usually, sometime if you lose a client based on that, in most cases, they are trouble clients. They argue all the time. They complain all the time. In the end, you make less money than you were sitting and watch.
But we spend the money. I will show them how I spend the time. Let them, if they would like to go, they go, and we move
Alan
on
can
to.
talk about it. They think everything included in 200 a month, right, Alan? Even if you work full-time whole month, right? So sometimes not every client's good to sign up, right? If they are like this, it's the reason they're gonna be like this all the time. It's to my personal experience. I don't know the Alan.
Yeah, but that is right, Natalia. We do understand that, like the clients, like this may create problems for us in near future, but we can't assume right now, right? So, but the one that are gone, right? So they are just maybe looking for the pricing and the stuff, right?
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
What
so
I
now
try to
our
say,
main focus is that it is someone that
no, we already have it.
Oh.
Just like 1 year ago, we did it.
Okay, so
Then
so
we
onwards.
decide. Okay, sure.
Okay, bye. Enjoy your week, everybody. Thank you, Hannah. Thank you, Alex. Thank you, Koda.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye.
Have a good
Bye.
Let's put it public then, as usual. They all run away for public